Danielle, it looks like Sunday is the highlight of this weekend.
Yes, if you like those warmer temperatures, Sunday, good to go. And in Calgary, very stable, good amount of sunshine. Also some cloudy periods. Keep in mind it will be gusty this weekend. That's what's going to get our temperatures up because we have a sad little 7 out there right now. So we just went up a degree, but this is well below normal considering normal is supposed to be 14 degrees for this time of year. We held on to some warmth though in the far southeastern part of our province in the double digits for Lethbridge right now, Brooks, Medicine Hat in the mid-teens, and so is Milk River. When we look at wind gusts, we had the wind really gusting overnight in Calgary around 50 kilometers per hour and then into the early hours of this morning, and then the wind subsided for the day. So that was the maximum gust early in the morning. For areas off to the east, Lethbridge, Brooks, Medicine Hat, they had the winds a little later in the day. But overall, we're looking at pretty tame winds at the moment. But as you can see, that predominant flow out of the north and the northeast, that's a cooler wind. And when you add the clouds that we've had, some rain, yeah, right to your bones, considering, you know, we've had some warmer air over these past few days. What's happening right now is another pocket of rain is starting to develop in the foothills and track off to the northeast, as you can see right here. I'm going to zoom in, and you can see what's happening here. You can see snow for the mountains, and you can see some of this actually in parts of Calgary as well right now and down Highway 2. We're looking at on and off showers possible for the next hour or so, maybe 2 hours, and then things should quiet down for the night. The next big weather maker is this one, but we could still see some instability this weekend. I'll give you the timeline on that. In the morning hours here in Calgary, expect sunshine, and further off to the southeast, a little more cloud cover, and to the north as well. As we get into the supper hours, so keep in mind your timestamp here. Tomorrow by the dinner hours, we are looking at the chance of these isolated pockets of showers developing in the foothills and tracking off to the northeast. So we may see some of this activity, and some of them could even be in the form of non-severe thunderstorms, which may, if you're barbecuing out there at that time, may interrupt your barbecuing time a little bit. All right, Capital Chef 5-day forecast. Again, the potential for late day thunderstorms tomorrow, but overall pretty quiet today other than the wind gusts of 50 kilometers per hour. 15 degrees is what that wind will carry us to on Saturday, 17 for Sunday, and then the next system rolls in on Monday, bringing showers late day Monday. Ian switching over to some wet snow possible Monday night and through early Tuesday.
Okay, thanks very much.
Right, Capital Chef's Skywatch camera, and yeah, it's cloudy, and even in some parts of the city, we're getting some rain as well. Winds at this point relatively calm, but they will pick up tomorrow. But they'll pick up out of a different direction tomorrow, out of the south and southwest. That will carry our temperatures much warmer than today. In fact, we should get just above or to normal for tomorrow. Normal is 14 degrees. Currently, though, we are sitting at what I like to say a sad little 7 for our high and our current temperature, which is well far enough away from the average of 26.1 on this day. All right, when we look at what's happening out there right now, you can see this rain that's developing. So snow for the higher elevations, and then you can see the rain that's developing and tracking off to the northeast. So we're even seeing some of this activity in Calgary right now, mainly in the south end right now, but it's starting to move into the north end as well. So yeah, we can expect on and off showers as we go through this next hour or so, and then things should quiet down with regards to rainfall. But we will see the winds pick up this weekend, and tomorrow those winds will carry our temperatures up, and we'll have even warmer temperatures on Sunday. But this is the next big weather maker for us that will arrive later on Monday, and that will drop our temperatures once again and bring in some rain, and dare I say it, a rain-snow mix even in Calgary is possible from it. All right, Lake Louise, you're looking at a rain-snow mix on and off for the next 3 days. Temperatures in those higher single digits for the next couple of days. Red Deer, a good amount of sunshine as we head through these next couple days, and temperatures in the teens. Drumheller will likely get to 20 degrees on Sunday. It will be gusty tomorrow in Lethbridge, about 40 kilometers per hour, but by Sunday you're looking at gusts around 50, 60 kilometers per hour. We'll be gusty in Pincher Creek for the next 3 days, and you can see for Banff that rain-snow mix possible on Monday. Brooks will likely see showers on Monday from that next system. Medicine Hat will likely get a couple showers tomorrow. And then Cochrane, later in the day tomorrow, we could get into a late day thunderstorm around the supper hours. Same thing goes for Calgary because of a little bit of instability. So sunshine for much of the day. 15 degrees is a high, and then even warmer for Sunday at 17 degrees, and then we get into that next system. For your Capital Chev 7-day trend, we're looking at the teens for this weekend, dropping off to 10 degrees for Monday.
Thanks very much, Danielle.